In this video, I'll show you how to change the Wi-Fi name and password of a Globe GFiber FiberHome router using only your phone. It's quick, easy, and takes just a few minutes. First, make sure your cell phone is connected to the Globe Wi-Fi network you want to change. Next, open any mobile browser on your phone. In the address bar, type 192.168.254.254. Then tap Go or Enter. You will now see the router login page. Enter the router username and password. You can usually find this information at the back or bottom of the router. Tap Login. Next, tap the three dots in the upper right corner of the browser. Scroll down and tap Desktop Site or Desktop View. Now tap the menu icon at the bottom of the page. Look for Wi-Fi settings in the menu. Tap Basic Wireless Settings. Here you can change the Wi-Fi settings for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Find the field labeled Wi-Fi name. Delete the old name, then enter your new Wi-Fi name. Next, look for Wi-Fi password. Enter your new password. Use at least 8 characters and combine letters and numbers for better security. Scroll down and tap Save or Apply. The Wi-Fi will restart for a few seconds. That's how you change the Wi-Fi name and password of your Globe GFiber FiberHome router using a cell phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.